lecture number 11. Now let us see the examples directly for the complexes. Like, see, one thing, I have given all the information regarding the rules of the IUPAC, how to write the name of a anionic or a cationic complex in the WhatsApp group. Just have the copy of it, just have it in front of you, and then you will go for the IUPAC name of these compounds. Is that clear? First of all, because it will take just a lot of time just writing the rules on the board and just reading it. So without wasting our time, just have the rules in front of you. I have sent it on our group. Just have the rules in front of you and then read it once, try to understand it, and then you go for the name of the complexes. Now let us start with the first type, that is called as a cationic complex. Now every one of you know what do you mean by a cationic complex. What is a cationic complex? See, if I have given an example, CONH3 6 and Cl3, when it dissociates, जो कॉम्प्लेक्स है वो कैटायन है, उसके ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ कैटायोनिक कॉम्प्लेक्स. So now let us have the examples of the cationic complex. The very first example, let us see how do we name it. अभी cationic complex में ना very first आएगा ligand का नाम, समझा, and ये जो metal है वो last में आएगा. I'll explain one by one. Listen here. NH3 is a ligand which is written in the bracket. 6 है, that stands for hexa. NH3 is written as amine, हेक्सा अमाइन. उसके बाद आएगा वो एलिमेंट दैट इज कोबाल्ट. उसके बाद आएगा रोमन लेटर्स में उसका ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. हाउ डू वी फाइंड द ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ द एलिमेंट, वो आपको मालूम रहेगा. इट इज एक्स, अज्यूमिंग दैट इज द ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट इज इक्वल टू एक्स. अमाइन इज न्यूट्रल, तो इट इज 6 इंटू 0 -3. क्लोराइड पे चार्ज है -1, 3 है इसीलिए इट इज -3. दैट इज एंटायर इक्वल टू 0. So x का हमको वैल्यू मिला. What is that? That is equal to 3. That has to be written in the Roman letters in the bracket, and then close the bracket. Chloride बाद में है, end में है. That is, it is outside the bracket. It is written at the last. Chloride. Trichloride नहीं लिखने का, समझा? It is not written as trichloride. It is just chloride because the charges are balanced. It is neutral. I hope you have understood. आप जितना एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करेंगे उतना परफेक्शन आपको आएगा. Okay, the very first I have taken the examples of the cationic complex. Listen, one by one we proceed further. अभी first example में एक ही ligand था. Second example में we have got two different ligands. Then what has to be done in that case? You go according to the alphabetical order. अभी इसमें chloride, it is called as chlorido. Okay, it is called as chlorido. Now क्लोरो भी चलता है, क्लोराइडो भी चलता है, दोनों चलता है. इट इज नॉट रॉन्ग ना. सो अमाइन भी है, क्लोरो भी है. फाइन. सो अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर से जाने का फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. सो व्हाट इज आईयूपीएसी नेम? पेंटा अमाइन क्लोरिडो कोबाल्ट. उसके बाद रोमन लेटर्स में उसको ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट क्लोराइड एंड में आएगा. दैट इज हाउ यू राइट द नेम ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर कॉम्प्लेक्स. ओके, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3. सी, अभी इसमें Cl भी है, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ लिगेंड्स यू हैव. NO2 भी है, NH3 भी है. अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर जाने का. सो अमाइन इज गिवन द प्रेफरेंस बिकॉज इट स्टार्ट्स विद A. सो इट इज टेट्रा बिकॉज इट इज 4. टेट्रा अमाइन. क्लोरिडो बिकॉज इट इज C बाद में. नाइट्राइटो N. व्हाट डज इट मीन नाइट्राइटो N? मतलब बिकॉज इट इज अ एम्बिडेंट लिगैंड, the point of attachment is N, so it is nitrito N. उसके बाद platinum, उसका oxidation state is 4 and then sulfate is at the end, so it is sulfate. That is how you write the name of a particular compound. It's a 1 mark question, and vice versa it will be given. They'll give you the structure, they'll ask you to write the name of it. Either they'll give you the name, they'll ask you to draw the structure of it. Vice versa, it is a 1 mark question. Okay, example number 4. इट्स सिंपल. एक ही लिगेंड है, डाई अमाइन सिल्वर. उसके बाद उसका ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट 1 नाइट्रेट. इट इज सो सिंपल. ओके, एग्जांपल नंबर 5 वी प्रोसीड विद. Now यहाँ पे again water that is called as aqua and chloro, chlorido भी चलता है, either of chloro भी चलता है. So it is tetra aqua मतलब water, di because it is inside the bracket, dichloro chromium का oxidation state 3 आ गया. I hope you have understood why is it 3. water neutral है, chlorine 3 है तो x -2 -1 equal to 0. So oxidation state of chromium 3 अब यहाँ पे, and it is chloride which is outside the bracket. So that is the name of the particular compound. Okay, we proceed with the next example. Example number 6. टेट्राअमाइन निकल, उसके बाद उसका ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट सल्फेट. अगर कुछ भी डाउट है देन यू कैन आस्क मी बच्चों. नो लाइक इसमें कुछ शक ही नहीं है. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 7, it is pensi. Now they have given the name and then you have to write the structure of it. Pentaamine, carbonato. What is carbonato? It is CO3. And cobalt 3, they have given that the oxidation state of cobalt is 3. So how do we write it? Cobalt is a metal first of all, so we start with it. Pentaamine 5 NH3, cobaltonato CO3, and chloride is outside the bracket. Then cross check whether it is equal to +3. समझा? ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट +3 आता है क्या? You will cross verify. Okay, the next example, example number 8. Diamine, ethylene diamine, nickel 2 acetate. So same thing, diamine it is NH3 twice, ethylene diamine so it is written as En, and nickel का oxidation state it is 2, it comes to equal exactly. Acetate it is written outside the bracket. So this is how you name the cationic complex. In the next lecture we proceed with the anionic complex. Okay.